How to write a fraction in Microsoft Excel. How to write a fraction in Excel. I want to write it exactly as shown in the picture. Is 101 possible?
In Excel, go to Insert Object. From the list, select Microsoft Equation 3.0. Select the equation that suits your needs. In this case, type 2, press Tab key to move the cursor, and then 3. This is my result.
Inside of a text box, insert text box, but not inside of a cell. Unfortunately, you can use Alt plus equals, or new equation on the Insert tab. This lets you freely type an equation, or use the ribbons editor. Typing XY will automatically reformat it to a fraction, or you can manually insert a fraction and type into it. I recommend this over Insert Object because this type of equation uses a newer, cleaner editor, and you don't need to wait for the objects list to load. Neither option can be used within a cell, so this one is preferable.
If you don't want to mess with the equation editor, and all you are looking to do is display the fraction, you can simply use regular cells with a border between the upper and lower cell. Then resize the cells to format it the way you like.
A third possibility, common fractions such as 1/3, 1/3, 2/3, 2/3, 3/4, 3/4, 5/8, 5/8. Have Unicode representations, see this URL. If it's these you need, rather than arbitrary representations with any numerator and denominator, the answer may lie with substring and string concatenation functions to generate the label or formatting you want.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.